Hi kids, nice to see you. How are you, dear friends? I hope you are fine. Now, we talk about clothes. Let's go. Dress. Dress. She wears a pink dress. Shirt. Shirt. This is a shirt. Cardigan. Cardigan. This is my cardigan. Sweater. Sweater. This is sweater of Anna. Jeans. Jeans. This is a blue jeans. Sock. Sock. Whose socks are on the table? Hat. Hat. It's very hot. Remember to wear a hat. Watch. Watch. This is the watch my mother bought me for my birthday. Wallet. Wallet. How much does this wallet cost? Jacket. Jacket. This is Tom's jacket. Bye bye kids, see you next video.